If you want to make serious money in high-ticket sales, the biggest mistake you can make isn't your closing ability, it's actually the offer you pick. Because the offer you choose will either make you rich or completely burn you out in 3 months. I've personally generated more than 20 million in sales online and personally earned hundreds of thousands a month in sales commission. And over the years, after coaching dozens and dozens of closers, I've seen many of them get stuck in dead-end offers. And on the other hand, I've seen very average closers make 15, 20, 30,000 a month just because they were in the right hot offer. Just like Warren Buffett says, it's not about how hard you row, it's about the boat that you're in. So today I'm gonna break down the most common sales offers, starting from complete trash F tier and all the way to the golden ticket offers that's S tier. Starting in F tier, we have business funding or nice to have offers like language learning or music lessons. The reason why business funding is down there is because fulfillment is typically a complete nightmare. These companies promise 50 to 100 grand for someone to start a business, but in reality, they end up taking clients with credit cards of 580 or complete brokies. So you might close the deal, but the client never gets results, the account managers disappear, and the offer shuts down out of nowhere. As for language learning, it's nice to have. These are typically low-ticket offers with zero urgency. So avoid F tier entirely. Moving to C tier, it's fitness coaching, SMMA, or lead generation. Fitness coaching is C tier because it's a non-ROI offer and you have to sell hard on emotion. Most prospects have been procrastinating getting in shape for 10 years. So during a 45-minute call, you have to combat massive psychological inertia. Can you make money? Sure, but it takes a very high-level skill for a small payout. Then you have lead generation for local businesses. And the problem there is hyper-saturation. Every local business owner has been burned 5 times before by different teenagers selling them Facebook ads. So you're fighting constant skepticism and terrible client retention. In B tier, we have the standard biz ops, helping 9-to-5ers start e-com stores or side hustles, and high-paying offers like addiction recovery or marriage repair. Biz ops can be solid. The price points are usually 5 to 10 grand, which means if you're getting 10% commissions, you're gonna be making 500 to 1,000 a sale. Close one sale a day, and you can easily be at 20 to 30K a month. The only downside is you're gonna be dealing with a lot of broke leads who are gonna need finance. The high-paying offers like addiction recovery, marriage repair, sell incredibly well because they have a lot of present pain. The emotional pain of the prospects is through the roof. So if you're closing executives with deep pockets, these B-level offers can make you a lot of money. In A tier, we have B2B business coaching. This is where you're selling to existing business owners or helping them scale. Think e-com scaling, sales teams, marketing systems, business operation. And you have to realize business owners are rational decision makers. They understand ROI, they make logical decisions, and they have capital and credit lines already. So if you want high consistency and big commission checks, A tier is perfect. So what's in S tier? S tier isn't about finding one lucky offer. It's mastering the core high-ticket skill set so you can cherry-pick the top 1% offers in the high-ticket world. Remember, it's not just how hard you row, it's about the boat that you're in. So when you combine high-ticket sales skills with an A or a B tier offer, making 20, 30, even 50K a month isn't a dream at all. It can happen. And that's exactly why I built my free school community. Inside, I'm giving you the exact sales frameworks, call reviews, and scripts I use to generate more than 20 million in sales online, so you can learn the high-ticket skill set required to earn good money. No catch, it's 100% free. Click the link down below, join the community, and I'll see you in the next video.